field goals though. Hindi nagkakalayo. Binyan a little bit better. Mabulak though, turns the ball over. Tan, talking about that 3 drives. Ganap na papasahan. Naagaw ni Mike Mabulak. 3-on-2 fast break. Mabulak filling the lane. Putting it up and in. Sarangani holding their ground. Marilao pass to Lakap for 3. Good! Mabulak on that slot. They leave Ryan Suwal wide open, and that's a big mistake if you're Sarangani.
Kick it out, extra pass, you get that open look every time.
Caballero misses. Bonifacio with a rebound. High arcing jumper, wala pa din. Mabulak with another rebound. Sa loob, lefty finish. Bounce pass, Ryan Suwal takes the 3. No good. Caballero with another offensive rebound. Got it back, rejected by King Destacamento. Sarangani finally gets the defensive board and rewarding the big man with his defense. King Destacamento will score. Caballero, shot fake, pasa sa labas. Lopez, corner 3, wala. But they gave up an offensive rebound again.
They're able to get a couple points this quarter off that.
Tesoyo leaning in. Gets the friendly bounce. Doesn't even look at the rim. They go to the post. Caballero sizing up Mix Pascual. Double team comes. Flashing in to the middle was Warren Bonifacio who will score. And despite being out-rebounded by 16, they're just behind by 5 against Binyan. Bonifacio though with that big-time move down low.
The bigs of Binyan really contributing this game, whether it comes to rebounding and scoring.
Marilao around the same spot. 30-26. Had that 3 at the corner at the end of regulation to force overtime. Bonifacio answers right back with a 3 of his own. Attendance dito sa ating venue sa ikawalong pagkakataon dito sa ikawalong season ng MPBL. Ken Pangilinan kasama si Coach Don Dulay and Miss Andrea Indicio. Bola na agaw off that timeout. Larsunga hit a 3 earlier, turns it down. Pinasahan si Brian Lakap. Leaning in, Tupalpal, inabot kay Big Boy. Had something to say, and that's why Brian Lakap reacted that way. Baseline inbound, Mix Pascual. Uy, nalibre si Marilao but can't finish. Just goes to show you the collective effort and the potential that this lineup has, especially when this guy gets himself going. Warren Bonifacio. This volleyball down low. Marilao simply had no chance.
I think he can get more of those. As a big man, yes, he can shoot, but I like to see him aggressive inside.
Marilao, jumper, he connects. Same set. This time the cut. And you see the recognition and vision by Warren Bonifacio. Lakap umatake, lost it, out of bounds, babalik sa Binyan. Binyan seeking to extend their lead. This time it's Big Boy down low. Pinapangga si Marilao, wala. Pero yung follow-up nandun, parang kay Carlo Lastimosa. Ball ending up with Sarangani. Atake si Alex Tesoyo, leaning in. Malakas, pero nandoon for the putback was Larsunga, but holding on. Virtually, shot clock is off. Sunga off the bounce, attacking the defense of Big Boy. What a run to end the half para kay Larsunga. Baseline jumper from Lasco, wala. Barba to beat the buzzer. And the first half comes to a close.